Good morning, it's John, or whatever time of day it is, wherever you're watching this. Good day. I'm out walking again, only a short walk, and I've got some sausages and fried potatoes with me, so I'm going to get hunkered down somewhere and do a bit of cooking and have my dinner. At the moment I'm right next to the M62, so hopefully shortly I'll be getting away from there and away from noise. So we'll catch you in a minute. Well, I've found a nice little spot to get set up and have some grub. And I've gone and bought myself a second-hand British Army Basha tarp. And I've watched a few programs on YouTube, very easy to set up. And there's loads of eyes and straps to get your lines on, and simply all I've done is tied some jungle knots and got it on this tree. The same at the other side. Quite simply wrap it round the tree, put one of the knots, pre-tied knots, every 6 inches or so, and just put it through one of the loops, and friction just holds it steady. There's all kinds of permutations you can use with these little tarps, and I'm set up here. Oh, look, water's boiling, ready for my coffee. Well, isn't that marvellous? And while I'm having a nice brew, I'd like to wish all my watchers, subscribers, the people who comment regularly to me, all the WhatsApp group, and I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is my video for Christmas. Out next to a golf course with my Basha up, cooking some food. This is me getting ready for Christmas. So I wish you all very well. Yum, yum. Leave no trace, take everything with me. And I'm going back home to the mayhem of Christmas. Thank you for watching.